Hey guys, this is Mankpal from Gossipfunda, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can use the back tap buttons of your iPhone. So what are the back tap buttons? Did you know iPhones have a back tap sensor on their every new model? Which means if you are using a model with the wireless charging, then you are using the back tap button iPhone. So you can customize these features that whenever a back tap iPhone feels a double tap on the back or triple tap on the back, it can make certain movements on the iPhone usable. This is a very unique feature and which is very used in the modern trends. So what can you do to enable the back tap sensors on your iPhone? So go to the settings app of your iPhone. In the settings app, go to the accessibility section. In the accessibility section, go in the physical and motor sections, go to the touch sensor. In the touch sensor, you will find different type of features that you can use to use back tap, but slide down and you will see a back tap option available. Click on the back tap. Then you will have two options to customize the double tap and a triple tap. Go on the double tap options and then you will find a number of system softwares that you can use directly on the back tap. So let us use the camera app for double tap, which means whenever I double tap at the back of my iPhone, the camera app will be activated. Let us also set a triple tap feature. Let us set the control center for the triple tap feature, which means whenever I triple tap my iPhone at the back, it would activate the control center. So now let's test them out. Now I'm going to double tap on my iPhone. Let's see if it's opened the camera app. You see, I've double tap on my iPhone and the camera app is open. Let's try the triple tap. You see, the control center directly gets opened. I'm not touching the screen and only by 3 taps, the control center is open on the iPhone. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to the Gossipfunda channel and also check out the Gossipfunda website for more amazing content. Thank you.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.